The process with a commercial building is, one, starting with the consultation. From the consultation, you will provide your utility information. From there, we will take your utility information, analyze the demand charges, determine whether or not batteries and storage is a good fit from you. From there, we will design a system and platform that gives you your strongest ROI. From there, once we get the green light from you, we will go into engineering and plans, which could take anywhere from 1 to 2 months. And then from there, we would go into installation. Installation, once again, depending on the size, will vary. So you can account for another 1 to 2 months there. So from start to finish, we like to account for 2 to 6 months for a commercial project.